So what are you doing?
We are making a cake. We are making a cake.
Go ahead. Is this your cooking show? You have a cooking show? Like those other two girls?
Yeah.
Okay. Explain.
We,
First.
first, we just put the frosting on the heart cake. And then when we're done, we have to. Let me do something. I'll get it. Just leave it be. And after we put the frosting on, we put the sprinkles on. And this is the sprinkles. So when we're done, we have to get yeah.
I love this cooking show. This show is great. I can watch it all day.
I can't.
I'm watching your show through my phone. It's the Gracie and Madara show.